Hi, today we'll discuss how to work with Blend tool. I will show you how to work with Blend tool in Family Editor. We can find Blend on the Create tab on the Forms panel. Before we start create our geometry, we need to know how to draw our form. We need to draw two sketches, base sketch and top sketch, and then extrude from base to top sketch. Click on the Blend tool. Here we have many options how to create base form, base sketch. For example, I choose a rectangle and draw. And after, I need to click Edit Top because I still draw base form, base sketch. If I try to draw my top sketch here, I can't click on the green check mark. And also, if I try to click Edit Top, I will get an error because more than one loop not allowed. We continue and delete this rectangle. Click on the Edit Top. Choose your form. For example, it will be circle. And when we finished, click on the green check mark. Switch to 3D view. And now we can see our 3D volume geometry. I can select my geometry. When I selected my geometry, I can drag control arrows and increase or reduce my geometry. Also, I have properties on the left side, second and first and, for example, I set up second and like this, and my geometry will be increased. Also, we can configure the twist of the geometry. Select the geometry and click on Edit Base or Edit Top and click on Edit Vertices. Click here. Here we can choose twist right or twist left. Click, for example, twist left. Escape. And click on the green check mark. And this is our geometry. We'll configure how our geometry will be twisted. We need to select our geometry and click Edit Base or Edit Top. Edit Vertices. And here we can controls on base or controls on top. For example, it will be I will be control base points, and I can click on some points to connect each other and unconnect if I want, and press the escape and click on the green check mark. And now our figure twisted in different way. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we will talk about Revolve tool.